Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your YouTube channel permanently. Let's get started. Open YouTube. Make sure you are logged in with the same Google account that is linked to your YouTube channel. Now, click on your profile icon. Click on Google account. Then select the data and privacy. Then click on the delete a Google service. This will take you to a Google account. You may need to enter your password. Now select the YouTube. Then you see the two options. First is hide your channel. Second is delete your channel permanently. Click on I want to permanently delete my content. The checkboxes to confirm that you understand all your videos, comments, playlists, and data will be removed forever. Finally, click on Delete My Content. Then enter your email address and click on Delete My Content. Finally, your account delete permanently.